Hey guys, Stan Dale, President, Florida Suncoast. Hey, I'm back outside. It's sort of nice to get out and do an outside video. Been locked up for the last couple weeks, it feels like. Hey, a lot going on. I'm gonna have you check the list down below, but first I want to thank you for your patience. Carol, our webmaster has been traveling. I've been traveling. We've got a lot of things that have happened over the last couple of weeks. So I appreciate your patience. We're gonna get caught back up. Let me give you some information now. I ask you to look at the list down below of all the events going on, but I'm going to highlight just a few that are coming up just in the next few days. The 19th is going to be very, very busy. This Saturday is really, really busy. Cars and Coffee at Fort Myers will be there. There's a Drive and Dine in St. Augustine, the Classic Car Museum, and they're going to lunch over at Jim's Place, which is a really cool restaurant. So check that out. That's up in the Jacksonville, St. Augustine area, I should say, actually. And then on the 19th, we had scheduled the drive-in lunch at the Schroeder's, at Chris and Margaret Schroeder's over in Point St. Joe, but that's been moved to the 27th. So check the calendar, not the list, but the calendar. It's on there. You'll see it and go do that. The 22nd is the Jacksonville meeting at the Olive Garden, and there are other things out there, but check them out. I'm just giving you sort of the highlights. And then on the 23rd, I believe it's the 23rd, we leave. Probably 8 or 10 of us are heading up to the MIX in Greer for the MIX festivities. So looking forward to that. We'll send pictures back. And if you want to go at the last minute, give me a shout. We'll see if we can make that happen for you. Couple of things. The Beamer Life magazine next deadline is June 1st. And the next set of articles are articles about threes. Whatever it is you think a three is, threes. You could have 3 BMWs. You could have 3 M3s. You could have 3 kids drive 3 BMWs. You could have 3 wives, well, 2 former and 1 current that used to drive BMWs. Whatever 3 means to you. A short article, probably about 75 words on threes and 1 or 2 pictures. We're going to put 3 or 4 of those articles in the Beamer. So if you want to get published, you got something to say about threes, the theory is threes, you figure that out. Send those to me, president at fscbmwcca.com. Go into our info piece and get our email address and send those to me. But I need those articles by May 15th. So I challenge you. What does 3 mean to a BMW fan? Let me know. So let's do that. Next month, this is message for those folks that are going to go to the Performance Center and the Mountain Drive 3 that got postponed coming up here in May. Watch your email address this weekend. There's going to be an invitation to a Zoom meeting next Tuesday night for information. It'll be about food choices and some other participation things. We've been given a special rate to attend the Vintage, which will be one of our drives on that week that we're up in the mountains. So I got to make sure that everybody's settled, and I need information about what your choice for meals are going to be, and also so that we can arrange how we're going to pay for it. So I'll tell you all that information. Be sure to be on the Zoom call, but watch for the invitation. Those should go out either tonight or tomorrow. So that's for the folks going to the Performance Center and the Mountain Drive on, I think, the 14th, 15th of May as we go up next month. Just a little less than a month. So until then, come on out and join us. A lot of events going on everywhere across the state, across our area. It's going on. So until then, happy motoring, guys. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.